2 hours after a 3-level lumbar decompression and 2-level stabilisation. So we stabilised at 2 levels for very severe spinal stenosis. So how do you feel first?
To be honest, I feel better.
Yeah?
When I used to stand, I get a pain.
Yeah.
But now I don't feel pain. I only have a pain on my operation.
Yes, exactly.
Yeah.
But what about the legs?
Legs is not coming any pain now.
Can I see you walking? And this is just 2 hours after the procedure for big surgery, three levels. And how do you feel with your posture?
It's so good.
Do you feel straighter?
Yeah, I can straight.
Yeah, before you were struggling to...
Yeah, little struggling to get there.
Yeah,
But obviously I have a pain because you've done operation.
the operation, yes.
But other than that, I would say, honest way, I can stand
Much
straight.
good. How about sideways? Can I see you sideways, standing sideways, face looking that way?
Okay.
No, I mean turn your body.
Oh,
That's good. Yeah. And stand straight there. Perfect. Okay, that is very good. Excellent.